In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the hinges in your walk-in cooler or freezer. If you notice any issues with the door or hinge alignment, it's important to address them promptly to avoid potential problems and ensure the longevity of your cooling equipment. Step 1. With a flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the cap that covers the hinge adjustment. Step 2. With a Phillips drill bit, slightly loosen the 4 screws beneath the cap. Step 3. Remove the red cap covering the hinge adjustment bolt, and with a 3/8" wrench, adjust the bolt to the desired setting. Step 4. Replace the red cap on the adjustment bolt, retighten the screws, and replace the cover cap. Follow the same steps to adjust the remaining hinges. Adjusting the hinges on a walk-in cooler or freezer is important for various reasons, including proper sealing, energy efficiency, temperature control, preventing frost buildup, equipment longevity, regulatory compliance, reducing condensation, preventing contamination, noise reduction, and improved workflow. Regular maintenance and adjustments to hinges contribute to the overall functionality, efficiency, and safety of walk-in coolers and freezers. Thank you for watching this video, and please visit us again to see more how-to videos.